provide your customers with the ultimate dining experience by offering great food, service, and attractive furnishings. This heavy-duty commercial metal chair is ideal for restaurants, hotels, bars, or even your home. The lightweight design makes it easy to move around, and the 18-gauge steel frame, welded joint assembly, and curved support bar make this chair extra sturdy. Another great feature of this restaurant chair is the plastic floor glides that make it usable on any surface. The black powder coat frame finish adds a stylish touch to this durable chair, and the easy-to-clean, thickly padded foam seat comes in our standard burgundy or black vinyls, or our standard mahogany, walnut, natural, or cherry solid wood seats. You also can choose from hundreds of different and exciting fabrics. In addition, the foam incorporated in the padded seat is 1.8 high-density California CA 117 rated and fire-resistant. The grid-back metal restaurant chair from Flash Furniture is one that's certain to please and one that will withstand the test of time.